Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can print two A5 pages on single A4 page in Word. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Word, go on to the file, go on to the print. So once you are here you can see print one shield and here you can see different options. So here you simply need to select that and now you can see that I have this page. So page orientation, it's up to you that what page orientation that you want. And after that here you can see you simply need to select two pages per sheet. Okay, so once it is selected, after that you simply need to go on to the page setup and here you can see all the necessary details. And once it is done, you simply need to have two pages per sheet. And now you simply need to go and print those. So this is the process how you can print two A5 pages on single A4 page in Word. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.